Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a caller background to your incoming calls and also your outgoing calls. And last but not least guys, I'll be showing you how to make personalized call backgrounds for the people you talk to the most in the phone and contacts application. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's start. So just open up the dialer. Select those three little pins up here in the top right hand corner. Select settings and then you will see call background. Select it. And here it just explains how it works. So select a picture or video to show when you make or receive calls. Down here at the bottom we have two options, layout and background. So let's select layout. So choose how to show caller information for contacts with profile pictures. So these are the two profile picture layouts. So we've got the big picture and the small picture. So I'm going to keep it set to the bigger picture just so that when whoever's calling me calls, I don't have to struggle to see the picture because it will be in a big view. Whereas with the smaller one, I would have to struggle to see the picture. Okay, let's go back. Let's check out the background. Okay, so there's three videos. This is the default one, what we've just seen on the previous page. Then there's this video, and it has some colors moving around there. Looks animated, very nice. And then there's this video with a dancing emoji guy and a girl. Also, there's this option here, so you can set it to, you can set dark mode to turn on, or you can turn it off, or you can use the match phone settings. So I'm going to keep the match phone settings on, but it's nice that you've got the dark mode. If you select the little plus sign there, it gives you these options, so you can add it now as your call background, or you can select from the gallery. You can select a video from the gallery. So if you select gallery, you could select a video to use. And here in the middle, there's a little scissors there, and you can actually trim down the size of the video. And you can use video sound as ringtone. And then when you're finished, just set as call background. But I'm not done yet, guys. I want to show you some more. So if you select this little plus sign, you can create using AR emoji. Okay, so select emoji for new background. So I've already made a video showing how you can create and set up your AR emoji. Be sure to check that video out. So I'm going to use this emoji that I created earlier in that video. Okay, so down here we've got some videos that we can actually download. And there's lots to choose from. And there's some different tabs here. So we've got dancing videos, fun videos, party videos, stylish videos, perform videos, wake up, relaxing, powerful, cute, chick. Okay, so let me just choose a video real quick. See if I can find a good one for you all. Okay, this one looks cool. Okay, so there was some music playing. So these videos do come with music. as well. So just choose the one you want and then just hit save, and it will say saving video. And from here, once again, you can trim down the size of the video and use whatever part you prefer to use, and then hit done. And you can use the video sound as a ringtone, and then simply just set as call background. And it should say call background applied, and that's it, you're done. And that video, whatever video you download to use as your call background, it does save to the gallery as well. So there it is in my gallery. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can create the custom call backgrounds for people. So this is real simple to do as well. Just open up the dialer, go to contacts, and find the contact that you want to create the background for. And just select the little I, the information sign there, and then just select the photo window. And then you can create the background using the gallery or the camera or AR emoji. So you can create it using the front-facing camera or AR emoji. So you'd select this option here and create an emoji of the contact, and try to make the contact look as close to try to make the emoji look as close to your contact as possible. But like I said, guys, if you're not sure how to go about making the emoji, I have a video I made earlier showing you how to create the AR emoji. Be sure to check it out. And once you've created the emoji that resembles your contact, it will show up here. And then just simply select it and hit done. And then hit save. And as you can see now, I have the emoji that I created earlier for Hector. And just do that, just go through each one of your contacts and make the emoji for each one of your contacts. And like I said, try and make the emoji look as close as possible to the contact, to the person who you have in the contacts. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if it did. Do share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.